In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor template into WordPress. This is a simple process that will allow you to enhance your website design with pre-built layouts and components. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress admin menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Elementor in the menu on the left side of your screen. Hover over Elementor and you'll see several options. Click on Tools. This will bring you to a new page where you can find different Elementor functionalities, but for our purpose today, focus on the section called Website Templates or Import-Export Kit. This is your gateway for importing templates. Now you'll be given an option to import a zip file. Before you proceed, ensure you have your Elementor Kit zip file ready, as that's the item you will be importing. This file contains all the components you want to bring into your website. Click on Import a zip file and select your Kit zip file from your device. You might want to take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct file, as this step is crucial for ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, you'll need to choose which parts of the kit you wish to import. Here, you have three options: templates, content, and site settings. Each serves a different purpose. Templates are the pre-designed layouts that can give your site a polished look. Content includes the actual words, images, and other media that you may want to use immediately. Site settings, on the other hand, helps you bring in specific design elements that integrate seamlessly across your web pages. Decide which of these options you need for your project and make your selections accordingly. After you've made your selections, it's time to click the Import button. This will start the process of bringing those elements into your WordPress site. You may encounter a prompt asking if you'd like to enable unfiltered uploads for SVG support. This is important if you want to include SVG files in your design, as it ensures those files display correctly. Carefully read through the prompt and enable this feature if necessary. Once the import process is complete, you'll see a message confirming that everything has been successfully imported. You'll then need to click Close to exit out of the import menu. With that, your Elementor template is now successfully integrated into WordPress. You can now start customizing your site using the imported elements, adjusting them to fit your brand's style and functionality needs. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an Elementor template into WordPress. Remember, this process allows for a lot of flexibility. So don't hesitate to experiment with different templates and settings until you find the perfect fit for your website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.